Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Creep. Creep means move slowly and carefully. For example, he crept downstairs, hardly making any noise. He crept downstairs, hardly making any noise. Synonyms: crawl, move on all fours, move on hands and knees.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. She carefully crept around them and made her way to Fiona. Now, repeat after me. She carefully crept around them and made her way to Fiona. The second exemplar. That night, at midnight, John crept carefully into the princess's chambers. Now, repeat after me. That night, at midnight, John crept carefully into the princess's chambers. The third exemplar. She carefully crept onto the bed and put her arms around him. Now, repeat after me. She carefully crept onto the bed and put her arms around him.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The word alphabet comes from the first two letters of the Greek alphabet, alpha, beta.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.